Somalis are here to stay. So we are not visitors in Kenya. 2032, we will be arrived to run for presidency in this country. This demonstration have been, badly affecting our businesses, particularly the Somali community. Lately, we became target of some people who have become envious of our development. Somalis are being targeted. I don't know why people are targeting Somalis. Is it because of envy? Is it because of entrepreneurial skill? Or is it because we are naturally flamboyant in our good, in a way of we are doing things? So I believe that we should defend ourselves from anybody who wants to, spoil or run away with our properties or loot our property. We should be alert and be alive to anybody. Demonstration is okay, you can demonstrate if it's peaceful. But if it means to steal other people's property, that we'll never accept. Yeah. Gen Z can demonstrate if they want, but peaceful demonstration is okay. That's a step towards democratization, which is acceptable. But we will not accept people taking over our businesses. And Somalis are here to stay. We are the first indigenous people who came to Kenya. Maasais were the second community that came to Kenya are Somalis. We are among the Gara race and the Mak community. And we occupy the largest chunk of land. And we are the sixth largest people in terms of population out of 47 communities in Kenya. That alone clearly indicates who we are. And I believe by the year 2032, we will be arrived to run for presidency in this country. So we are not visitors in Kenya. We are not at anybody's pecking to stay in this country. We are here because we own land, we have people, they are doing their business. We are in the government, we are in the private sector, we are in the corporate sector. We are in all the spaces. If you want to find out who Somalis are, we have almost 1,000 doctors today. We have over 300 lawyers in this country. All those things indicate who we are. So we are not visitors to this country. So if anybody thinks that Somalis can be wished away, let them forget it.
Thank you.
Kenya first is about land. Let me finish. Okay. Kenya first is about land. So if it's land, we hold the biggest shareholding of land. If it is population, we are number 6. So on average, who owns this country? There is no Kenya without Northern Kenya. So we're the biggest partners of this country. People must understand. And if somebody thinks that we're here because of them, let them forget it. We're here because of our rights. We're here because we were born here. We're here for 9-10 generations. Some people who came from other places want to tell us this is not your country. Of course, in this region we are one of the biggest. We are the 3rd largest community in Africa. That they must understand. So we are not minority, so they must understand. For people who think that the investment you see here is not an investment, money made from Kenya. It's money made from diaspora. There are about 5 million Somalis in the diaspora, and they're all investing in Nairobi. So we are not here because of somebody who thinks that we're here by luck, or we're here by dint of history, or we're here because of other people, or somebody can think that we can be pushed back. Nobody can push us back. We're here because of our rights, and we believe we have contributed immensely. Isli is a city within a city. We are the highest taxpayer, apart from the CBD. I think CBD is been overtaken by Isli in terms of tax. So we have created employment, huge employment. Other Kenyans are enjoying. Isli is a hub for not only Nairobi or Kenya, it's a hub for Eastern Central Africa. They've created wealth, they've created employment, they have accommodated people, big offices, big companies are operating from here. So let's come together as Kenyans, let's support the government of the day. Election will come and go. Election will come and go, but we should not be in perpetual election. We finish this election, we start another chapter of election. The country will go down drain, it's not that good.